Hello everyone, welcome to BNMIT video podcast. Today in this episode, we're going to take a little technical twist talking about the hackathon revolution, empowering future engineers. Today, I'm your host, Parikshit from 5th Sem CSE. We hear a lot of many kinds of hackathons, productathons, ideathons, so many kinds. We wonder why there are so many. I think it's best we have an expert tell us more about this. We have a guest, Dr. Raghavendra C K, Professor, Department of CSE. He strongly believes in participation of hackathons as it transforms their careers. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Parikshit. Thank you for your warm welcome. I'm thrilled to join this BNMIT podcast and discuss something I am truly passionate about it.
So maybe it's fair that everyone who is listening to this understand what a hackathon is.
Yeah, to define, hackathon is a collaborative event where people work together to solve a given problem within a short period of time. And I can say hackathons are playground for innovation, creativity, and teamwork. If I list a key characteristics of hackathons are intense collaboration, the time-bound challenges, and interdisciplinary approach. So what is intense collaboration? This hackathons brings together a team of developers, designers, and problem solvers. And if you look at the time-bound challenges, these hackathons are typically run for a shorter period of time, say 24 to 48 hours, pushing a sense of urgency in the participants as well as driving them towards the efficient solutions. And coming to interdisciplinary approach, this hackathons brings together participants from various backgrounds. They combine their skills and expertise to tackle the real world challenges.
Okay, I mean, that brings a lot of playground with ideas. Certainly, this has a lot of benefits, doesn't it?
Yeah, there are n number of benefits. Hackathons is not just about winning. Participation is very much important. To list some of the key benefits where a participant can gain by participating in the hackathons are, one is the skill development. Whenever you participate in hackathon, it pushes you to learn new technologies. It enhances your coding abilities as well as it develops project management skills. Also, it will also allow you how to manage your time efficiently to bring out the best solution. And it also supports to grow your networking opportunities. Why? Because when you go and participate in hackathons, you will meet industry professionals and the potential employers as well as the individual who are like-minded to join those kind of competitions. Also, it is an important turning point for your career growth because most of the companies nowadays, they conduct hackathons to select the winners for their jobs as well as for their internships.
It is clear that these hackathons are more than just a competition. It's more than a transformative experiences that bring a lot of skills into their career. I think we might have a question. How are these structured? How can these be implemented? Can you tell us more, sir?
Certainly, hackathons typically fall into three main categories: thematic hackathons, open-ended hackathons, and hackathon marathons. Coming to thematic hackathons, in the thematic hackathons, whichever organization or companies hosting those hackathons will be listing some problem statements, and participants has to select a problem statement given from the list and they have to develop a solution for it. When it comes to open-ended solution, here participants have the flexibility to select whichever problem statement they want to pursue. Okay. And when it comes to hackathon marathons, these are extended hackathons which are typically run for a couple of days or a week, where it gives a freedom of flexibility for the participants to refine their solution.
Okay. I think we covered a lot about the introduction. Maybe we all might wonder, how do we prepare for these hackathons? Can you tell us more, sir?
To answer that question, I would say preparation is most important aspect of any competition, let it be hackathon or productathons or even the assessments. So here, when it comes to hackathon, there are four key aspects of preparation. One is gathering a team with complementary skills. You need to gather a team or assemble a team who complement their skills. Then time management. You should plan effectively, like how to complete or how to develop a proof of concept within a short period of given time. Also, you should be sure enough which particular tools you are going to use. That is resources and tools. You should have access to all the required hardware, software, as well as all the resources which are required to implement the solution. And most importantly, you should do some research and background study of the selected problem statement. You should understand what is that problem is, what are the prerequisites, what are the requirements. Then you should also brainstorm the innovative solutions with your team members. So these are all some of the key aspects of preparation.
That is a lot to take in, but I think there are many hackathons out there. Do you know any crucial major ones?
Yeah, there are a number of hackathons running today across the globe. The most important one now currently it is being that is Smart India Hackathon, which is conducted by Government of India. Every year this hackathon is conducted by Government of India, where various government organizations put up their problem statements, and the graduates across the country, they will select the problem statement and they will submit their ideas, and they go to the locations and there they are going to present their ideas. So this is one of the best flagship hackathon which is conducted currently in India, which is by Government of India. Apart from Smart India Hackathon, we have major hackathons running by companies like Microsoft, Imagine the Cup, Google Code Jam is there, and then Accenture Hiring Challenge is there, Data Imagination Challenge is there. Then we have a Cognizant Digital Nurture, and we have IBM Skill Code. There are n number of companies. They usually conduct these hackathons mainly to select the candidates for their internships as well as job opportunities.
Wow, I mean, that is a lot of major hackathons that even I have participated and heard of. But I think students will understand, when multinational companies and government-sanctioned hackathons are going on, students would want to know where can they get this kind of support. Can you tell us more, sir?
Yeah, at BNMIT, we have a robust support system for students, especially participation outside the college, outside the institute. Some of the aspects that which we are going to provide for the students is mentorship. Mentorship and guidance will be given by experts, by the professors, as well as we will also call alumni who are major hackathon winners, who are major hackathon finalists, to give their feedback for the students who are preparing for the hackathons. As well as we'll also provide all the required support, let it be a lab facilities or it may be a software, it may be a hardware, whatever support or resources required by the student will be given by the college. Also, college will provide sponsorship and funding, starting from registration fees, travel, accommodation, all kind of expenses will be taken care by the college. The last and most important support is vibrant clubs of BNMIT. Throughout the year, they conduct various hackathons, producthons, workshops to prepare the students who are participating in these kind of hackathons.
Wow, that is a lot of support from students of BNMIT. I think with all of this support, they will have much more confidence in participating in such hackathons. I think it is fair that with this support, there comes a lot of challenges, and maybe there is a lot more things to be considered. Don't you think so?
Yes, definitely. Whenever you participate in hackathon, there are some challenges that you have to face it. The first challenge is, as I told, hackathons typically run in a short period of time, say 24 to 48 hours. So you need to plan effectively and put up your solution so that it will bring you a laurels. That is first and first important one. And apart from that, handling the team dynamics, as I told, you should have a team which complement their skills, and also you should be able to handle disagreements and push the team towards the efficient solutions.
I agree too, sir. I've also faced similar challenges with my team, and during my participation in Smart India Hackathon, I agree with everything that sir said. With all of the challenges that I have faced, the support that is provided by BNMIT really pushed me forward to do my best. I'm pretty sure that students would want to know, what has BNMIT done, conducted in this college?
To name a few, every year we conduct hackathon in collaboration with IBM, and every year we prepare students for Smart India Hackathon. We conduct internal hackathon to select the teams to send for Smart India Hackathon finale, and we also conduct hackathon in association with MATLAB. Apart from this, every month one or the other competitions, let it be producthon, hackathon or workshops, will be conducted by clubs of BNMIT. And recognition, whenever a team won a competition outside, we ask them to exhibit their solution in an open day at BNMIT. And also, if their solution is unique, we will also support them to file a patent or copyright.
Seeing that BNMIT offers so much support for their students, I think it's extraordinary that we as BNMIT students get a lot of support and recognition. Great opportunity for students to showcase themselves. I think we've covered a lot of the bases in hackathon. Maybe we should talk about sharing experiences. Can you tell me some, sir?
To conclude, hackathons fosters collaboration, quick thinking, as well as problem-solving skills while solving the real-world challenges. Additionally, remember, hackathons are not just about competition or not just about winning. It's all about the experience you gain, the skills you learned, and the people you met during those competitions. And you walk away with all this invaluable knowledge and a drive to improve for the next one.
Thank you, sir. That was a lot of important things that we had to discuss about. Understanding what hackathons is a really important step for all engineers out there, and realizing that BNMIT provides the extraordinary support and opportunities is a great opportunity for every student that is here at BNMIT. I think in my experience, my takeaway in this would be that hackathons provide a wide range of networking, like Sir had mentioned. This provides companies with the ability to recruit the best minds available in the shortest time span. Seeing this in the company perspective, it is a great opportunity regardless if a student wins or loses a hackathon. They can improve their skills and hone every aspect of an industry requirement. Seeing this, I recommend and urge all the students of BNMIT to participate in every hackathon they can get. This will be a very transformative experience for every student out there. Thank you, sir, for this wonderful discussion that we had today. I think we can see a great new insight to how hackathons are. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Parikshit, for being wonderful host and asking so many important questions, which will be definitely useful for our students.
Thank you, everyone, for watching this episode of BNMIT Video Podcast. Stay tuned for the upcoming episode. Until then, stay informed and stay authentic.